Next technique is dry brush technique. For this technique, make sure that your brush is dry. I take color on my brush and then I dab it on the tissue like this, and then I start adding strokes here like this, creating texture on the paper. This technique is useful when you want to show texture in your painting, for example the texture of wood or the texture of rust on a metal object. Next technique is negative painting. Over here I'm making a set of leaves to show this technique. In this technique, what you actually do is you add color in the base in order to make the object, or for example in this case the leaves, visible. Now I'll add a flat wash of dark turquoise color like this. Here I'm using a big brush, but it has a very good point, so I'm able to do the edges and the small corners that are present in the painting. But in case you find it difficult, you can keep a thin brush or a fine detailing brush handy with yourself to do the edges. Just make sure that you pre-mix the puddle that you are going to use for the painting, the puddle of color that you are going to use in the painting. As you can see over here, my paper is half dry. So what I'm going to do is I'll quickly go over the other side as well with the paint mixture in order to have a seamless flat wash.